The saying goes, no parent should ever have to bury their child. But imagine losing a child and not being able to give the baby a proper send-off. Last year, Springbok player DERICK and Afrikaans pop sensation Carleen van Jaarsveld lost their baby girl at 19 weeks. The couple is one of many who've had to beg for the right to give their child a dignified funeral.
They said, but obviously before 26 weeks, they see it as waste. And I said, listen, but I saw my child, that's not waste. There was actually a couple of weeks and she would have been our daughter, and there's no way that I'm going to throw my child in a dustbin.
HOUGAARD says being able to bury Ava gave him closure.
I still go to the grave and I still said my biggest heart's desire was to have a baby girl, but I don't have a baby girl now, but at least I have somewhere to go and I can still go and talk to her.
But some have not been so lucky. Christopher Fitchett and his partner lost their twins.
With Lutz, I wasn't afforded the opportunity to say goodbye to my son. I saw him for 15 minutes, and when I went back to the room where he wasn't there. They had him in a kidney bowl, and they then told us that they discarded of him as medical waste. With Anya, they took her away to a mortuary, where we then had to fight for access to our child and to get her back. And eventually, we then were able to cremate her, but we were not allowed to bury her.
While parents consider the fetus as a person from conception, the law doesn't.
Prior to 26 weeks, the products that are produced, or the baby for that matter, is not considered a legal persona.
NPO, Voice of the Unborn Child, says the law infringes on the right to dignity.
Medical waste is where you incinerate non-viable fetuses together with amputated limbs, organs that have been removed from bodies. It's just medical waste. Where's the dignity?
Smith's application highlights the plight of doctors who've had to put themselves on the line by releasing the stillborn babies to parents.
Gynecologists are in contravention of the law and the act, but in certain circumstances they would show sympathy for the parents of a fetus as a born, stillborn, or a miscarriage. So his humanity would then overwrite the knowledge of contravening the law.
The Department of Health says it's open to discussion. It's meeting with Environmental Affairs and Home Affairs to discuss the matter. Narissa Subramani, Pretoria.